We are just counting down to SpaceX IPO, and this is the most exciting moment this month because we've been waiting for this day for a very long time. But I've always told you that when it comes to a SpaceX IPO, before you buy, you have to be very careful, guys. You have to be careful, protect your coins, save your money, grow your coins. So we are not going to invest with emotions. No, we are going to invest because we want to make money. And when you look at the financial statement in SpaceX, you compare it with other companies that have been in this business for a very long time, you will know that the math is not matching. Some of the things that you can see is that they are offering so much more shares in the market. Now let's just look at it here because we are going to pre-order together in this video. I know why I'm sharing this with you. I want to show you how to buy shares and stocks. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to order mine. Now, the first thing you have to observe here is saying that this is SpaceX IPO. But before we buy, let's look at it. It says here that the evaluation estimate is 1.77 trillion. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. And it says that offer amount is $75 billion. Oh my goodness. And it says the shares offered is 555 points, you know what I mean, million, 555 million. That is a lot. And it says there that it's going to be locked up. That's the lockup period is for 180 days. That's 6 months. This lockup period is the period where the initial investors cannot sell any of that. In fact, Elon Musk cannot sell until 12 months later. So we know that some people had already got in. They bought a bulk of it. They've been investing for a very long time because you can see that they said the company was founded in 2002. So you can see that there are some people that have been investing in this company for a very long time now, but this is an exciting time for them. They are looking forward to this IPO and they hope to sell. Sometimes these stocks would just drop in value as soon as those people sell theirs. So it says here that the revenue in last year was 18.67 billion, which is not a lot compared to the evaluation of 1.77 trillion. And the offer they are floating right now is only 4% of the company. So you can see that this is not one investment that will go in to make a lot of money. If you want to make money, you have to trade with this particular option, not invest right now. The best time to invest, like I've told you, is after the 6-month period when all the initial investors have already sold theirs. That is when the price might likely drop. If you compare that of Facebook, you see on your screen, Facebook, when they IPO'd, the initial 1 month, it dropped 18%. And then after 6 months, you can see it further dropped, which is something we don't want to happen to our money. We worked very hard for our money. Another thing you have to understand is that the CEO is Elon Musk, the person that has a considerable amount of shares for X or Twitter. And it says it's Star-based Texas, employees, 22,000 employees. I love companies that have a lot of employees. We know that they are stable companies. They've been there for a very long time. But before we invest, we have to be very careful, guys. It does not look so good, but we know that with this, we would like to monitor it. And that is why I'm going into the market to buy a portion of the shares. Some people always think that you need millions of pounds to buy. No, you can always buy just 0.5 of a share. You can buy less than that and it will still go through. So we are going to go here and click on buy. Now when you click on buy, you can see it says market IPO offering price. This is before the market anyway. If you want to buy at market price, which is the price that it is whenever they open the market, then you type in the amount. You can always type in, maybe you want 0.1 of a share, see whether it goes through, but I want to buy 0.5. But I won't go for the market price. I can always choose that I want to set the limit, the amount I want to buy at a specific price. So I could go to limits and click on 0.5. And then the price I want to go for is, let's just say the same amount, which is 135, because it's likely to go up once the IPO is today. Is an exciting moment. And then you can select whether you want it to stay anytime it drops to 135 in the future. If it goes up today and maybe it drops maybe next tomorrow, 3 months, 4 months down the line, then it should buy at that 135. So this is an assumption. You can always set the amount. You can always set below the price you can see there. That is how you invest in the stock market. This is Trading 212, guys. And you just click on review order, and you can see here, it shows you everything you need to know. With Trading 212, commission is free. Expiration is never, because that's what we set. We can always set that it should expire at the end of today. So that is another option. And you can see that because I'm ordering in pounds, so there's a conversion fee. That's the FX rate. And to convert from Great British pounds to USD, that's US dollars, is at a rate of 0.7461 for today. It changes from day to day, and that's why they will charge me that 0.08. And you just click on send buy order, and once you click on that, it's as simple as that. You read the information, because it's an IPO. They'll give you some things that you have to know, that your fund is at risk. You waive it and you put in your order. As simple as that. If you believe that the order would, or the price will come below 135, then you can set a price that is below that, and you send. Simple. As simple as that. There are some things you have to understand about the SpaceX company that sets it apart from other companies. There are more than 5 of them, but I'm going to list a couple of them for you to be aware of. That is why it's very exciting. That is why some of the prices you have for some companies, some of them have gone down. Some people have sold what they have in the market because they're waiting for this IPO. In fact, before I share this with you, just note that some stockbrokers have set a limit on what you can buy or who can buy. For example, Fidelity, they set the limit to 500,000. That's, as a small investor, you should have up to 500,000 before you can order, but they brought it down to 2,000. So if you don't have 2,000 pounds in, dollars in disposable cash, you won't be able to order. Now, there are other apps like Robinhood that sets no minimum requirements, like you can order how you want, but like I showed you for Trading 212, there is no minimum amount. I ordered mine for 0.5 because I want to monitor it. I want to see how it performs. I want to know when to get in. And yeah, it is one of the risks you should be willing to take when you're investing. But like I told you, if you are thinking of long-term investment, this is not the best time to buy. Since it's locked in for 180 days, you have to wait, guys. You have to wait until 6 months, 12 months into the market. It can come down when most of the initial investors have sold their portion, and it will just plummet. So prepare yourself. If you're not going to look at your phone every day and check how it moves, then don't bother going into the market. Just monitor it. But I said it depends on how much you're willing to risk. Like I said, there are some things you need to understand about SpaceX that sets it apart from other companies. The first one is that they have this reusable rocketry. So it means that they can use the same rocket over and over again, or components of that rocket. You know that during COVID, I told you that there was a lot of explosions because once they set their rocket off, it couldn't land as they wanted, but it kept improving on that technology. As they improved on that technology, they were able to achieve the rocket being able to land at the same spot where it took off. That is a major achievement that no company has been able to achieve in that scale. That is a major change in the whole way we use rockets, we even in the way we actually pursue things like that as people on Earth. We send things into space. You might be able to understand why we send a lot of things into space. For example, they also have that their Starlink, which is the satellite broadband. So they are able to generate a lot of revenue using that Starlink option. Now, another thing is their agile delivery. The way they iterate their systems in such a way that they keep working on it. If it explodes, they work on it over and over again. You can imagine, this is something that during COVID, people were laughing at them, that they're always wasting money. But now people are praising them because they're able to correct whatever fault faster. Because there's no bureaucracy that you experience in government facilities. they can work as fast as possible. They also have this opportunity that they have links with NASA and US military. So they are able to transport things into space more efficiently and with reduced cost because of that reusable component that they have. And they have found ways to build things at the same time in-house. So they have this system where they are able to build these hardware and software very fast in-house, and it is something that many companies cannot be able to achieve the level of work they put in such a short period of time. So that's why SpaceX is just popular. Many people are into it because they know the level of achievement they have gone into. And also, sometimes when we want to invest in a company, we want a company that will make us money. We are interested in the person that is in charge. Would like to say the founder. The vibes of the founder is what we go for. So you might be an Elon Musk fan. I'm not crazy about Elon Musk, but let me tell you something. When it comes to your coins, understand that money does not have any emotions. You want to invest so that you can make money. That is my personal opinion. So that is how we invest. So I just wanted to share this step-by-step process in case you are someone who is new to investing and you want to know how to buy any stock or share. You don't need a large amount of money to do so. I'm going to be sharing more videos like this. Please share my videos with your family and friends. Let them be aware of the fact that you cannot grow wealth by working and saving. You only grow wealth by two things. First, investing, and the second one is by protecting your coins, reducing taxes, using more tax efficient ways of protecting whatever hard work you have put in to generate that money, as money doesn't have any emotions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.